In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve PSC 2011 MCQs. That is, if absolute of A equal to 3 and A is 3 by 3 matrix, then absolute of 3A is equal to solution. That is, if A is square matrix of order n and K is any non-zero real numbers, then absolute of Ka is equal to K power n absolute of A. So value of K is equal to 3 power n is equal to 3. So 3 power 3 into A is equal to 3. 3 power 3 is equal to 27. 3 times is equal to 81. So option D is correct, which is the correct solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.